Welcome to another quick review. Today I'm on a job site and I'm going to have to replace my electrical bag. I've got this Milwaukee bag that I've had for a while and it works great. I mean, I have really no complaints. It is held up heavy duty, very strong, and it holds pretty much everything I need. All of my tools. I've got tool side here, tool side there, and does very well. Even my tape measure has some side pockets, has straps so I can wear it like a backpack, but I really most of the time will carry it like this. Now you may be asking, if you're not familiar with a backpack for your tools, why would you need a backpack for your tools? I'm going to tell you that where I use this the most is in an attic, because when I go into an attic, if I don't have a backpack, I'm going to be carrying all of these tools up by hand and carrying them all back down. And if you've ever had to work in an attic, it is not much fun. If you're working in a basement, underneath a house, a crawl space, these are indispensable. Now, this has been a great unit, but I'm going to probably be switching to a different unit. This is going to be the MELOTOUGH, M-E-L-O and then tough system. Now, at first glance, they look pretty much alike, but there are some very big differences. Where this only has a few compartments, it's got this little front case up here, which you can put a cell phone or certain things in. Has one up in here. I keep my staplers, and the big compartment I showed you, two sides. This one actually has 35 different pockets. This works not only with my regular tools. If I unzip it here, I've got pretty much what I had there with a ton of space. I have a dedicated space to be able to put my laptop if I want. I can go to this next compartment, a whole nother set of compartments, which is just as big as the entire setup on the Milwaukee, front and back here. I also have a huge carrying spot here that has clips that will actually lock it into place, and I can carry big tools like this and put them in and rock and roll on down the road. It has the same spot on the side to be able to put my tape measure. Pull this off, slide it on here just like that. It has pockets down here to be able to put things exactly like that one, and same thing here. And you want to know what else this has? It has one thing huge that this doesn't. I have a wheels where I can roll this thing around, and it rolls extremely easy and turns easy. So if I'm going up to a house and I have a long walkway, I don't have to lug this thing on my shoulder. I can pull it. So it has got a ton of features. This is made with 600D nylon, which means that it is very weather resistant. And you're going to notice in this, when you're looking at it, the zippers are extremely well made. One of the first things I do with anything is I'll slide the zippers and see if they're good. Milwaukee zippers, extremely good zippers, and it has held up extremely well. But this one, just as good, if not slightly better. Now, another thing they do on this one that I really like, if you look at my handles here, the handles are really great. They're fantastic heavy-duty handles, and they're going to be heavily stitched in so they don't break loose. And obviously, they have never broke loose. They take theirs a step further here, and it is actually a steel cable. Pull this out of my way. So you have a cable, and the cable is wrapped in plastic, and this whole little comfort grip is actually wrapped and sewn around that. And then these are going to be riveted on the sides. So it is very, very heavy duty. The one thing I will tell you is when I got it in person, I was really, truly amazed at the heavy duty quality make of the bag. So if you're looking for a really good electrician's bag, if you're looking for a really good HVAC bag, or even a plumber's bag or regular construction bag, you're not going to beat this system. It is extremely well made. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.